and welcome to my animal skulls. I'm using white and yellow blended face paint. And when everything is dry, I go over it once more. Then I use a dry sponge to go in with some white cream face paint to make some highlights. And to set that cream shade, I'm using a translucent powder all over. Then I go back in with a brown face paint, and this is water activated just to start my outlining of the eyes. And this I'm gonna use later on as well. And to outline my nose, I started with the same color, brown. And to get everything symmetrical, I try to dot it on first and then draw it one by one. I wanted this human animal skull to have a lot of cracks, so I'm doing this with the same paint as before. And when it comes to cracks, you can do whatever you want. You can have a reference photo. I did, and I was actually supposed to do another skull, but this turned into this animal skull instead, so shit happens, guys. Shit happens. Then you can go on and fill in your eyes with some black face paint, and also you can leave a little bit in the middle just to put on some glitter later. Here I'm just testing the color with some eyeshadow. Go ahead and fill in your cheeks and also blend it into your ears or paint your ears if you're not gonna wear a wig. And since you're still using the black, you can go ahead and paint your neck, and this is gonna be the bone area. And get them cheeks dark and black when you're still going with the black face paint. Why not? And now you can draw in your nose. And from here, it actually took off. It's no longer a normal skull. This is gonna be an animal skull. I actually just figured it out when I looked in my mirror right there. And I used white and yellow just to outline the teeth. And here is where the animal fangs were created. I do not know what kind of animal this is, but it's an animal. Then you can outline all the teeth with black, and you're good to go with the mouth. And took a light brown eyeshadow just to shade around the teeth, and I also used the shame shadow just to make some more markings in the face. And when you're done with that, you can go ahead and shade inside every crack and under every crack to make shading and shadows. And then when you're done with the shading, you can do some highlighting with some face paint on the highest points. Put some glitter on and you are done. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you guys soon. Goodbye.